Hi everybody, I am going to do a couple of hairstyles that are going to showcase this flexi hair clip. See the little turtle that I got from my friend Rochelle Romans and her Lila Rose by Rochelle business, where she is a stylist manager of all sorts of hair accessories. And she also does videos and shows how to use them and everything. But I had an idea of how I was going to use my little turtle. I love turtles. This is a medium. You can see on the, look how intricately carved the clip part is of the flex. This is flexi, this part's flexi, and this is the clip. And what I'm gonna do is the part of my hair that I want is gonna be through there and between, and then I'm gonna put that clip through and underneath the part of hair that I'm trying to secure, and then flexi part will be on top. And so that's how it gets its name, flexi clip. This is the clip of the flexi clip. So she sells flexi clips and they're awesome. So today I'm just gonna, I like to wear my hair down, but I don't like it just straight down. I always like to have some sort of accessory, headband, something in my hair. And so when I saw this, and I do love turtles, I knew I wanted to have it. So see, this is going to act just like a barrette would, and then you put that on top of the part that you're wanting to secure, which is the part that I'm holding back. See this part that I just twisted? I'm wanting that held back, but I'm also wanting that cute little accessory to be in my hair. And so like when I can walk around, I've got my hair down, but it's not just like hanging straight down. So I kind of like that. And then I hate to take that out. I love that little turtle, but I want to show you one other way that I can use it that I also thought about. And that is, I can do a half up by just taking my hair from the sides back to the crown. I'm just kind of gathering it up like you would a ponytail, but I'm making sure not to get the back part. Okay, boom, boom. And then I got to make sure I get that piece. My glasses make it a little bit difficult to grab it because I got to see what I'm doing, but I also want to get that section. So I think I have it sectioned off, right? See, half up, half down. And then what I'm going to do there is I'm just going to grasp it the same exact way that you would a ponytail, except for I'm just putting this back behind that section again. And this flexi part of the flexi goes on top. And now see how I have the stick come up underneath and clasp. And then that works just like a, let me fix my glasses, sorry. That works the same way in principle, but much more beautiful than a hair tie would right there. So it's half up, half down. Do you like it? Well, if you like it, I will be leaving the information for my friend Rochelle Roman's business, and you can order accessories, all kinds. They have hair bands, they have band clips, flexi clips, sticks, and all of their items are very quality. I showed you how the engraving and the initials in it and the size engraved into the clip itself, which is it's a metal. I don't know if you can tell that. It's real hard. This is a real hard metal. This is more flexy. It's on the piano wire with beads, and this little medallion, that is the turtle. It's amazing. I love it. They come in all different sizes. You'll want to pay close attention to what size you are. See that detail right there? I don't know if you can see the detail on there. So I just wanted to share Rochelle Roman's Little Rose by Rochelle, because I have been very satisfied with these clips. And I bought this from her off of her website, and you can buy one too. So God bless you guys. Thank you for watching. And if you are getting value from these videos, and I have another demonstration I'm going to do for another one of her accessories, which she did donate to me. And that was after I had purchased something, and she knew I had a YouTube channel. So I'm going to do another demo. So if you want to be notified of videos on my channel, please hit that subscribe and subscribe for all, so you'll be sure to get the notification for every single video. And I thank you very much for watching. God bless.